Our coronavirus coverage, and the city of Houston's top doctor not mincing words today, saying the number of people testing positive is still way too high to curb the crisis. Brandon Walker is live tonight with the city's latest message. Brandon?
Yeah, Chris, Dr. David Purse says the city's positivity rate is at 25%. That's high, as he says it should be at 5%. So how to get there? Dr. Purse this afternoon laid out a few options during the mayor's press briefing at City Hall, starting with number one, and that is shutting down the economy again. Now, for the record, Dr. Purse today did not call for that to happen. He just says that that's a way to lower the positivity rate because it's up to the government. And thus far, Governor Abbott has said that that's the last thing he wants to do, and right now isn't looking at doing that out of fear that it'll just crush Texans. The second option, wait for a vaccine. The third, wait for herd immunity, which is when most of a population is immune to an infectious disease. Options 2 and 3, you may know, would take a while. The fourth is wear masks, socially distance, and keep good hygiene. Hospitals, we are told, did see a slight drop in hospitalizations, although ICU numbers remain high. Here's Dr. Purse on that.
The hospital data is showing some slight, mild stabilization, maybe a little bit of dropping off of the total number of people that are in the hospital, but not the 700 or so, 650, I think it is, between 650 and 700 ICU patients within Harris County alone.
Yeah, Dr. Purse saying those people in ICUs tonight, however, still very sick, which is why they are in the ICU. The stats as far as the city of Houston is concerned today, 773 new cases, 8 new deaths to report. Mayor Turner saying 5 were Hispanic, 3 were black. We're live tonight. I'm Brandon Walker, KPRC Channel 2 News.
Brandon, thank you. And the average number of tests statewide coming back positive are down a fraction today. According to the Texas Department of State Health Services, the positivity rate is 14.2%. That was just over 15% yesterday. The number remains higher in Houston, where the health department says the positivity rate is 24.5%. Medical experts say this number should be less than 6%.